Hi guys, it's me Kai, and today we're doing some battles with Team Naughty, and that's Team Nice over there, and let's play. I hope Team Naughty went. How did Green get over here? Get gone. I'm surprised. I can shoot all the way over there. Whoa. This is hard. Make sure to leave something in the comments. Tell me what you want for Christmas and I might just get it. Well, you want me to get it for Christmas. Tell me if you want to play some more Splatoon and some other games because it's been a year ago since I started this channel and I don't think Team I is winning. I see a lot of green over there. Wait, where'd it go? No. Oh no, no ink. Need to hide. Did I just see what I thought I just saw? Oh! Look at that big squid! No! What the? Reese's Pieces? What the? Water level? No. Dudes and dudettes out there. This is gonna get tougher and tougher. Oh, opponent. Can't get me from up here. I'm low on ink. I stink. Me. What is it? Oh, opponent. Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Tell me if you're playing Split, if you ever played Splatoon, I mean. Wait, did I always say that? No, I didn't. And, whoa. No, I thought that was a bad guy. Oh, let me finish getting up here. I didn't spot that. Ah! Ah! You know what? I'm at you. Come over here. Is that saying sorry? Bye-bye. Oh. Go guys. I mean, go guys. Yes! Yeah. Time for the next battle. And this is actually going to be the last battle that we have for today. I hope you guys enjoy the last battle. Whoa. How did I get that high? That scared me. Not the screen. This screen. The gamepad screen. I don't think I can do this. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure there's water. There's poison. Stage 1. Wow, you guys are probably getting bored. We only have a couple more seconds. Someone in the grate. Please, people join. Yes, no, birdie, yes. Go! Naughty queen. No, I'm just gonna wait. Oh, yay! Whoa, that guy had a weird mask. Whoa, this place looks cool. Oh my goodness. You guys really want me to see me get somebody. I know you will. What the? I can't. Oh. I'm gonna hide and get somebody. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, this is a perfect place. I'm looking at me. Come on. No! Not a green guy. What the? I'm gonna drop. I'm not going to what's going on? Good. Ah! Oh my goodness. No, it killed me. Anyway, my name is Kai. I cannot get this piece of metal! Oh, I finally got it. I'll just paint here. Okay, I'm coming to somewhere else. No one can get me. Oh, I killed somebody, I think. Or did someone else show that? Oh! You know what? You know what? I can go die. Yeah, I died. That's it. I'm joining the bad guy. Blast! You know what? Ah, I just fell. Just realized that. Dad, I'm not gonna. Oh my goodness, cross my fingers, cross my fingers. Yay! This is awesome. John. Bye guys. It's Kai signing out.